Hey guys, welcome to another day in the life. We're heading over to a beautiful custom house that we staged, not in the city, just outside of the city, and I'm grabbing some extra pieces to take with us. I'm glad you can join us. First, we're gonna stop by, grab one of my photos that was just repaired, and then we're gonna head over. We're at my favorite frame shop. This is where I get all of my custom frames for custom homes, for our projects. They do some of our framed artwork. Love these guys. Let's go inside, pick up our artwork, and head to the project. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
How are you?
Not bad.
For me?
Thank you. What's the camera for?
Do you have my artwork? This is my right-hand man. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Till next time. Bye. So the story beside this frame is that we were going to a project and the glass shattered en route. So I had to get it replaced, and now it's lucky enough to come to our project now. So let's go put him in the office. Guys, it's so important to have someone handy that you can rely on to do your framing, because I know this is not, like, Justin would kill me if he saw this right now. He's gonna be like, that's why I got broken the first time. But it's so important to have someone handy that can get your pieces fixed and do repairs for you, because if you're not able to use it, 1 or 2 days, you can have it repaired, use it for your next project. So make sure you find someone reliable, like I have my team. You'll definitely need them because accidents do happen. Welcome to the property. I just came in and I see there's a lot of work going on here, a lot of construction work that I was not prepared for. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
Fantastic.
Good, hi. Okay, this is looking fantastic. I'm just looking, can we just flip it?
Of course, yeah.
Because this is supposed to be on this wall, and then coffee table, and then artwork on top, okay? Okay, I'm gonna explain why I'm gonna do that. This bedroom is not the most practical layout because there's so much information going on. You have a whole wall here of windows, and then on this side you have an entry to the bathroom and the closet. So where do you put your headboard? I chose this wall because it's the longest wall that's not basically used for anything else. No entries, no doorways, no arches. So we put our king headboard here, 2 nightstands, and I had a lot of sitting area. So I wanted to use this wall facing the bedroom, and we're gonna put a big art on top. So when you walk into the room this way, you have the bed in front of you, and then on this side, you have the seating facing you versus to the side. Is that cool, guys?
Yeah,
does that work for you? Yeah, I think this is good too.
Do you want this accent piece over here, or would you like it on this side?
I think we're not going to use it.
All right.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little to the other, a little this way,
Yes.
and then we'll put the accent in the corner.
Can you lift it with me?
Of course I can.
And then we'll just scooch it over just a bit. Okay.
And then we can put the other accent right there.
Yes.
I think one of the accents is for the
Oh, I see what happened.
Yeah,
Okay.
you want the ensuite?
That's for the ensuite. This one is for here, Mikey.
Okay.
A little confusion here. Okay. So Mike knows we like to match
Color
where
matching,
we can
course.
our finishes. So we have the brass on the end table. We have the brass on the coffee table. I do have some chrome on the sofa, but I feel like it'll neutralize a bit. Let's go to the next room. Okay guys, this is where all of the magic begins, because we empty off all of our bins onto the countertop in the kitchen. It's the one place we ask the clients to leave empty because this becomes our workstation. I've mentioned that before in our videos, but it's absolutely paramount that you do this because you get to lay everything out, see what goes in which room, organize yourself, see if you're missing anything, get your team on the go to pack it up for you if you are. So this is all the accessories that we're using for this house. We went with the black and gold theme. Like the rest of the house, it's all, like, I mean, the house itself is black and white, and we brought in gold and I brought in some silvers to neutralize some areas, and you know that's important too. I know how you guys are always talking about our accessories, asking where we buy our pieces, and we are working so rapidly on Like to Know It app so that we can find all of our pieces there. And it's amazing the amount of products that they have, the amount of furniture that they have that resembles, if not is, our pieces that we use in our projects. So if you do see pieces that you like, go on our Like to Know It app, Sell with Sanaz. Make sure you follow us there because you can find all these pieces there and you can enjoy them in your home. Be inspired by our projects and use it in your home on the Like to Know It app. And also, I've been told that Ali is installing the pergola at our Markham historical house as we speak. So I want the cameraman to go over to Markham and get these footages because I want you to see what this pergola is going to look like. Take it away, Ali.
Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm super excited to show you the installation of our pergola today. Now this thing is out of this planet, okay? Completely made out of aluminum, maintenance free. It's got heaters, LED lights, fan, and why don't we go see what they're up to? Come with me. It's not always that we get aluminum pergolas installed. A client here really wanted an indoor-outdoor experience. They want to make sure they have the whole 9 yards. And hey guys, why don't you have a look? It's already erected. Why is it called a genie?
I don't know, maybe when you wrap it's rising? I don't know.
Okay, so this is the end of it. Literally, it's gonna
More
sit-
or less. Maybe that will change maybe inch one way or a second.
Oh, it looks good where it's sitting. And then as long as the drainage goes the way you're setting it, basically one in the front, one in the back, we're good to go.
Perfect.
When do you think you're gonna be done?
When? When you want.
End of the day?
We're gonna be faster than that.
Oh, are you serious? I'm excited. I'm excited to see that. Okay,
Of course.
perfect.
It's like
Perfect.
right now we have to just install the last beam. What's left? Gutters, silicone, louvers, and just the electricity to plug it in and make everything work.
Perfect. I'm super excited, brother. Let's do this. What are we gonna do since the electrician needs to come and give you all the plugs? We're gonna run
What
an
plugs?
extension for the power at the
We're gonna
back.
use the
Extension cord, get it
and
tested.
it's whatever you want to install, and the range of the wires. That's it.
Perfect, brother. Client was so happy he left his office. He's coming to see you guys.
Who?
My client, the owner.
He's coming?
Yeah, he's coming right now. He's like, I can't wait. I want to see it. I'm like, it's not ready yet. He's like, I'm leaving my work. I'm gonna come see it.
Today Starbucks like spraying the free coffee.
Oh, is it? I don't know. I'm
Joking.
What are you guys drinking? Why don't we tell him to bring it?
Oh, so actually, Grand Marinier, it's a cognac.
Oh, okay, my friends, it's finally done. Okay, it's the end of the day. They actually did a great job. They finished this entire pergola in one day. Obviously, it was built, it took about 2.5 weeks for them to manufacture it, and it took about 7 hours for them to put it together. It's not always we get people to spend this kind of money on a structure like this. This aluminum pergola, 20 feet wide, cost about $30,000 Canadian. My client really wants that outdoor experience. Let me show you how it works, okay? It's actually pretty neat. So you have a remote control with multiple settings that controls different angles of the louvers, and you can retract them, you can open, close them, and have them in different angles. There's a LED lighting system that goes around it, and what I'm adding on to it, they couldn't do it today obviously because it can't all be done in one day, but this hole in the center is room for a fan. So you can literally have your outdoor fan, again, working with the same remote control, and we're gonna actually put 2 heaters on each side so you can extend the season and actually sit out here in fall and enjoy your backyard. It's got different settings, so depending on how much you want the louvers to open and close, I'll try to just open it and then you guys see how it works. So this is the lighting system, the LED lighting that goes around it. You can up it for an RGB system, which gives you different colors. I personally think RGB is not, it's very Christmassy and seasonal. Not everybody's using like purples and reds in an outdoor pergola, but if need be, you can have RGBs everywhere. But in this scenario, for this install, the client wanted warm white, exactly the same color as inside of their house. And then you can go to a different channel and have the louvers open. Have a look. I love it. And I got 2 questions for you guys. I need you to comment below and let me know what you think. Number 1, let me know what you think about this whole install and whether this is something that you would do inside your own homes. Again, at $30,000, it's not cheap, but hey, if you got the money, why not? And number 2 is I want to ask my own wife, honey, what do you think? Should we have one of these at home? Let me know when I see you tonight. Love it.
Okay, guys, I'm debating if I should put this on the coffee table, and it does weigh quite a bit. It's full of sand. Or if I should put it on the end table here. Okay, let's try this. Seth, tell me which one do you think looks better? Oh, if I can do it with one arm, it shows that I'm pretty strong. I kind of like that in the window. Better, it kind of like branches off, and we have like the floor to ceiling window. It pops more than the statue. Yeah. Maybe we'll put him on the coffee table with the books. For sure. Facing the books. So I have a little nook that I need to cover, and I decided to be creative with my piece. It's in the primary closet. Let's go see if it's actually gonna work out. Okay, so there's supposed to be a mirror that's gonna come up here, and it's supposed to serve as like the dressing area. I don't generally really style or stage closets because I feel like it's not real, it's not organic. If no one's living here, why would there be clothes in here? But when I have the space for it, I do put accessories. So something like this, I feel like it's cool because it's warm and it kind of picks off the wood tones in here. Put in some rocks. Picked a really cool candle, kind of gives it that rustic look that you see in the wood grains in the closet. And then they're gonna have their custom mirror coming up, and voila. Hope they don't turn on my candles because I want to use it again. Just grabbing some accessories for the office. And so I have to say, Ali, I don't know if I personally would spend $40,000 on a pergola that we in Toronto can only use maybe 4 or 5 months out of the year. I think I'm gonna keep the $40,000 and maybe spend it on something else. What would you guys do? Would you spend $40,000 on a pergola? Let us know. Comment below, guys. Let us know what your thoughts are.